How to get this cool 1930s filter and use it for your TikTok and Instagram Reel videos. This is a new AI filter on TikTok that is going to show you how you would look like if you were born almost 100 years ago. It's easy to get this filter, and it's absolutely free. We will only need the CapCut and TikTok applications for this. We will first open our TikTok app and then go over to the search bar by tapping on this little magnifying glass icon at the top right of the screen. We will then type 1930s filter in the search bar, and that's going to get us a bunch of different videos that have this effect applied to them. We will then open any of these videos that has this effect, and you're going to see a button right above their username that's called CapCut. Try this template. When we click on that button, you're going to see a little preview on how that effect is going to look like, so just tap on Use Template in CapCut. After this step, you have to wait a second or two until this template imports into your CapCut editing app, and we then have to add a photo which we want to use with this 1930s filter. We will open our photo gallery by tapping on this Use Template button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you can then select your photo. Just make sure that it's a selfie and that your face is clearly visible for the best possible results. And then we will wait on CapCut to create our video for us. When it does, you can see your finished video with the effect applied. You will get a photo on how you would look like in the 1930s. And that's it, guys. If you want more similar TikTok trends and other tutorial videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I will see you soon.